Folks might be familiar with WebMD. That's the consumer-facing brand, WebMD.com, searching all things healthcare when you have an ailment. WebMD Ignite is the portion of this company that works specifically with healthcare providers, hospitals, health systems, emerging tech companies, to actually have and connect content and software solutions to provide better care and connect consumers with care. My group, we really focus on building what we call digital experience solutions. These could be full websites, landing pages, other kinds of digital experience tools. And we're really focused on how do we build solutions that can be HIPAA compliant, meet accessibility standards, have advanced SEO features, easy content editing, while also having to support a variety of integrations that are very important to our clients. So let's jump into the demo. I think this is the fun part here, is actually showing how this works. So our demo here is called Web Framework Assistant. What this will show you, if you are a privileged user, is you'll have some quick options where I can simply just click a button to, let's say, create a new site. And I can name this site, DrupalCon demo. I can give it a purpose. These are all tags inside of Pantheon. So this is a client demo or a test site or a sold contract. I can tag it as such. And then a template is giving us a database to copy from. So for us, I have pre-built databases that live on my Pantheon environment that align to different products or different solutions that I would want to start from. So if I'm building a new health library site, I can select that template. If I want the full DX engine, I can select this template as well. And this gives me a different starting point with content, modules, and the entire database installed. Lastly, we store all of our brands and companies that we work with. We keep a JSON file of their brand system. So their logos, their primary, secondary, tertiary color systems and palettes, their fonts. And I can either leave this blank, or if I know the name of the system that I'd like to start from, then I can simply just start to Google or not Google, type in the name of the system and actually get a particular brand that I'm looking for. So I'll do Jefferson here, and here's some different specific service line brands I could start from. And this would actually build their whole site based on these setups. So if I click create, this will start the process. And you can see the first line is already started here, initializing the build and creating this from the upstream. We'll get about 12 different commands here, and it will tell us, the dev environment's built, the test environment's built, the live environment's built. We've built in some other commands to clear cache, remove if there's any analytics from that database. There's some QA checks to clear those things out as well. So creating a site, super easy, something that we've made to where no dev is required. When we sell a new deal, a design team can actually spin up their own site and start the project.